I am going to teach class 12 unit 4th physical education and sports for CWSN means children with special need Divyang. Okay, so first, okay, if you like this channel, so okay, please like and subscribe this my channel. Okay, so first I will highlight the units which you are going to read in this units. Concept of disability and disorders, types of disabilities and natures, cognitive disability, intellectual disability, physical disability. There are three types of disabilities. Types of disorder, its causes and natures. ADHD, SPD, ASD, ODD, OCD, disability acutes. Advantage of physical activities for children with special need. And last will be study to make the physical activities assembly for the children with special needs. So let's first I will start the introductions. Okay, in this unit you will read about the different kinds of disabilities, okay, and different kinds of problem. So introduction first. In present time, all the world, entire world will be facing the problem of just like hypertension, stress, and serious depressions problem on other sides. So different kinds of problem will be there in present life. Okay, so that's why this problem will be coming because we will persons will be very busy from morning till evening. So this there are something missing, low level of physical fitness in every home as well as disability and disorders. Okay, so first we will see the concept of disability. What is the disability? And disability is impairment that the maybe cognitive development, intellectual, mental, okay, physically and sensory problem. So this will be a disability. Okay, disability will be different types. Okay, so when person will have difficult to do work properly, unable to do work nicely. Okay, the lack of capacity to do any types of work is called disability. Means one person cannot do work nicely. This will be a disability. Sometimes hands problem, leg problem, blindness, or different kinds of problem. Okay, so sometimes this will be from the childhood, okay, genetic problem, and some will be have different kinds of problem. Okay, after the accidents also. Okay, if suppose mother will be not taking sufficient diet, so this kind of problem will come. So next will be a disorder. So what is the disorder? Disorder can be defined as the dysfunction crosses the normal function of a person. Okay, when body will not do work nicely. Okay, medical disorders that have available mechanics test. So some recognize the physical disorder production. Okay, just like anxiety, personality will be different. Okay, and for example fever, head trauma, hypertension problem can produce the dislims. Okay, brain problems, body problems related, also all will be coming affect body or mind. So this will be a disorders. Okay, mind will be not work properly, not catching, nervous system will not work, body also will be not okay, handicapped, blind, or this also will be coming disorders. Okay, so next will be a types of disability. There are three types of disability: cognitive disabilities, okay, intellectual disability, and physical disability. First we will see the cognitive disability. What is the cognitive disability? Means mental problem. In order students are diagnosed with the cognitive disability, they must have impaired intellectual adaptive behavior. Additional symptom must be present in childhood, okay, till 18 years. So from childhood this kinds of problem will be coming. So why this problem? Sometimes social problem, practical skills problem, personal care, social problem, dressing and eating. Okay, so our behavior totally will be changed. Okay, how this problem will be coming? Why this problem will be coming? Because mother will be not taking sufficient food, not getting proper air from, okay, during the pregnancy. So these kinds of problem will be coming. Cognitive, okay, mental problem will be coming. Okay, so social, okay, that person not want to spend time with, okay, with other persons, difficult to adjust. Dressing also will be not okay, so that person will avoid this. Eating skills what they are eating, how they are eating, the person will not see. This will be cognitive disability. So causes of cognitive disability. Okay, why this problem will be coming? Okay, after times the cases of cognitive disability is uncounted, but now we can see prematurely is being born with low birth weight. Sometimes women weight will be also not okay during the pregnancy, suffering from lack of oxygen of birth. Okay, as I told you, oxygen during the pregnancy, if women will not get sufficient oxygen, so that's all why also problem will come. Cognitive disability. Okay, not taking proper diet, so that's why problem will be coming. So this will be a cognitive disability. Next will be intellectual learning disability. Intellectual learning disabilities. Okay, disability who cover the many everyday social and practical problem. Okay, intellectual or learning disability, unable to learn something, catching problem. Okay, mind also will not work nicely. So all will be coming intellectual disability. So intellectual functions. Okay, adaptive behavior, cognitive, conceptual skills, language and lifestyle, money, time and number of concept. Difficult to count something, unable to see the time, difficult to count the monies. Social skills. Okay, that person not want to share something with other friends, members. Okay, not feeling comfortable. Okay, feel guilty. So social kind of problem. Okay, practical skills also very difficult to adjust and others. So this all will be coming intellectual disabilities. Okay, unable to catch something. Mind will not work nicely. Next will be physical disability. Okay, you can understand by the name physical disability when person will do when unable to do work nicely. This will be coming physically. Okay, some will be handicaps. Okay, why this problem will be coming? Okay, same problem. And okay, not sleeping nicely during the pregnancy for women. Okay, pregnancy problem, genetic problem. Okay, after the accident also this kinds of problem will be coming sometime after the accident, wars. So this will be a physical disability when person will do work, unable to do work nicely. This all will be coming physical disabilities. So causes of disability. Why disabilities will be coming? Genetic cases from childhood. If women will have problems, so that person also will have problems. So son also will get the problem. In wars, after the wars also. Okay, now present time countries will be against of other countries. So wars also. Okay, next will be mental health problem. Mental health problem also because taking too much stress. So mental problem also. So if parents will have problems, so child also will get the problem. Accident also, after the accident also disabilities will be there, handicaps or blindness or different kinds of disability. Poverty is now present time, all will not getting proper food, malnutrition. Okay, all person will not able to buy healthy foods. Okay, drinking water also not getting pure water. Lack of health care facilities. Now mostly present time also in villages there will be no hospitals or different kinds of problems. So this will all will be causes of disabilities. Genetic, advanced, mental, use of professional, accident, poverty, lack of health care facilities. Okay, so next will be types of disorders. First will be attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. Okay, so you can understand by the name attention deficit hypertension disorders, means that person will not have attention. If ADHD problem will be there, so that person will not pay attention during the schools. If someone is giving any task, any sports activities. Okay, continuously talking too much, unable to share something, unable to conduct the activities. So all will be coming attention deficit hypertension disorders. Okay, types of ADD, intention. Okay, intention will be not there. What other person will be saying, intention will be not there. Poor concentrations, organization skills will be not there. Impulsivity, interpreting and taking risk, hyperactivity. Okay, that person will be too much hyper. If suppose we will tell something, then hyper too much, difficult to saying something. So all will be coming attention deficit hypertension disorders. Causes of ADD, because attention disorder you learn the gate along with others. Okay, need some activities. If you will behave nicely, so this kind of problem will be coming. Lack discipline also will be lack. Okay, next will be sensory processing disorder. Okay, SPD. Okay, this kinds of problem, sensory processing disorder, is the condition which the brain has trouble receiving, responding something. Okay, mind will not work nicely to receive something or give something. Okay, nervous system will not work nicely. Symptom of this common sound may be painful over laughing. Okay, light also, the light touch of shot may be cheat or the skins. Okay, that person will be unable to not feel comfortable if you will switch on the TV, off the TV. Light also, if you touch something or we will increase the volume, so that person will not feel comfortable. So all will be coming sensory processing disorder, unable to understand. So symptom of sensory processing disorder, effect of sense like hearing, touch or taste. Taste also will not occur. These kinds of problem will be there. Okay, hearing, voice also will not work. If you will touch something, so that person will be shocked. Okay, so symptom of process disorder, onset of the symptom. Next will be outside the windows. Okay, unnecessary seeing outside the windows. Okay, if you will increase the sound, so that person will see the outside. Okay, skin with touches, not feeling comfortable. Okay, and too much hyper sometimes. Okay, so this all will be coming symptom of sensory processing disorders. Causes of sensory processing disorder, that person will be light and sound may have so strong genetic problem also sometime. So if you will on the light, okay, increase the volume, so this type problem will be coming. So we can find okay, that person will have brain problem, abnormal brain activities, brain also will work not nicely. Continue the response strongly as a stroke on the hand or loud sound. Okay, if you will increase the sound, then also problem will come. Treatment, what will be a treatment? We have to behave nicely this kind of person. If any person with this kind of problem, we should behave nicely. Need occupational therapists. We will talk some, conduct some activities. Need friendly nature. So this will be treatment of secondary processing disorder. So type of sensory processing disorders. Okay, anxiety is difficult to understand something. Anxiety, too much angry. Okay, some kind motor planning, some motor activities will also will be important. So this all will be coming this problem. Sometime genetic problem, sometime after the accident, this kind of problem will be coming. So this will be SPD. Okay, sensory processing disorders. Okay, next will be autism spectrum disorders, ASD. So autism spectrum disorder is a complex of development disorder that affect how a person behaves, interacts with others, communicates and leads. Okay, so these kinds of problems, when group activities and when person will behave others, not behave nicely, not feeling comfortable. Okay, so all kinds of problems will be coming in this autism spectrum disorders. Okay, that person will not share something, not behave nicely with others, not feeling comfortable with others. Okay, avoid the group activities. Okay, so this all will be coming autism spectrum disorders. So causes of autism spectrum disorder. Okay, younger, slightly the children with the ASD can also develop the condition. So why this problem will be coming? Sometime genetic problems, if mother will not taking sufficient diet, balanced diet, not taking getting air during the pregnancy. So this kind of problem will be coming. Sometime wars also. It's common for identify twins to both develop ASD. Sometime twins children will be birth at a time. So from childhood, one person will be not okay, one will be okay. So this kind of problem will be coming ASD. Oppositional different disorders. Okay, in this kind of oppositional, you can see the understand through this point. Oppositional mean again person will be when that person will be talk to other person, so that person will be not feel comfortable, aggressive natures. Okay, talking behavior also will be not okay. The person want to destroy something, not feel okay. Okay, not talking behavior will be different totally. So this kind of problem will be coming in oppositional different disorders. So causes of different disorder, there are two types, genetic and environmental problem. First we will see the genetic problem. From childhood that person will have this kind of problem, or mother or father or mother will have this kind of problem, so that person also, okay, child also will get this kind of problem. Okay, not getting proper air, brain functions also will not work nice. Next will be environmental. Okay, environmental, okay, during the pregnancy if women will not get sufficient air, okay, not getting proper air, or not eating proper diet, so these kinds of problem will come in. So there are two types. This will be opposing default disorder. Next will be obsessive compulsive disorder. In this, okay, obsessive means person will be behavior will be totally changed. Okay, this chronic problem, long lasting problems. Okay, repeat something. If that person will be telling something, so that person will be repeat again and again. Okay, switch on and off continuously. Unnecessary thought also will come. So all will be coming obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD. Okay, sign of symptoms will be there. So imaging that causes anxiety, common symptom or including. Okay, unnecessary thinkings. Okay, fearless. That person will be fear whatever that person want to do, that person will do, not thinking what will happen after this. Involving sex, religion and harms. Unwanted thinking will be there. Aggressive thoughts, unnecessary aggressive thought will come. Okay, just like fighting and like this. So this will be symptoms of sign. Next will be disabling attitude. Disabling, what is the disabling attitude? So when person will be not okay, disabled or disability will be there, so how we have to behave, this all will be coming disabling attitude. We have to behave friendly, okay, cooperate each other's, talking nicely, need support. Okay, so these kinds of problem can something we can control. So all will be coming disabling attitudes. How we will behave to this different kinds of person which will be disabled. Okay, so this all will be coming disabling attitudes. General guidelines while dealing disabling attitudes. How treat adults as adults. If suppose we are talking adults person, that person will be disabled or different kinds of problems, so we have to talk just like adults persons. Ask what assistance may be needed. So all will be coming this. Refer adults with disability some way to world, refer to other adults. Okay, if that person will have any kinds of problem, so we have to talk directly, not tell to any other persons. Okay, speak directly the person rather than through the companions, other person. We have to talk directly. Okay, so this kind of problem will not come. Okay, person who have visibility impairment, always identify yourself. Okay, where you are standing. If suppose disability problem will be there, where you are standing. Okay, if you are after assist with wait until the after is expectation. If you are talking someone, so you should be wait little. Living or happening of persons wheelchair, similar learning on happening. Okay, that person if suppose sitting on wheelchair, so that person not should feel shy. Okay, you have to motivate little. If necessary, ask short questions. Okay, if you are asking disabled person's questions, so you should ask short question and give short answers only. So all will be coming guidelines while dealing with disability, how we have to handle the situation. Next will be advantage of physical activities for children with special needs. So how we can control this kind of disabilities through the games. Reduce the level anxiety, stress and tension. If you will conduct the activities, so reduce the anxiety, stress and depressions. Okay, friendly natures, conduct some team games, team events. Cognitive benefits, mind also will work nicely. Okay, if you because if games time, during the games that person will think something during the just like strategy of the game, so mind also will work. Social interactions. Okay, so these kinds of disabled persons, if play the games, so improve social interactions with that person will come with the group team games, so mind also will work nicely. Social other also will support cooperations, better emotional and psychological health. Okay, emotionally if you will motivate, okay, psychological effect also, if you will motivate this kind of person, that person can get better results. Mental improvement, mind also will work during the game, so mind development also will be there. Self-esteem, okay, self-respect, self-confidence also will come. So this all will be coming advantage of physical activity for children with special needs. Next will be strategies to make the physical activities assemble for children with special need. Okay, some strategy we have to make before the games. So modify the rules of the game. We have to modify the rules in games, just like short grounds. Okay, with the games play with the sound ball. Okay, specific environment also will be required. Audience also should be there. Okay, night atmosphere, all will be corporate support. So night atmosphere, okay, healthy environment there. Medical checkups also should be there before the competition. That person will be get benefit. Medical checkup of the requirements. Teachers of the physical cannot come know about the type of disabled children facing. Okay, children should be close of this kind of person. Activity base of interactions. Activity we have to conduct. They have deep knowledge, interest and aptitudes which will be helpful for this kind of person. Different instructions, strategies. Okay, we can make the different strategies, different plannings. Okay, required before the games. Children provide the experience must to take into considerations. Okay, so during the competition, after the competition, need experience. According to the experience, we have to conduct the competition. Some question also, cross question also after the competition. So knowledge also will be improved and talk about the related regarding the games. Okay, your experience. So all will be coming this kind. So this will be a strategy to make the physicality assemble children with special needs. Okay, thank you everyone.